Todd, I think we're missing something.
Hey everybody, welcome back to our Plywood Palace channel. I'm Todd and this is my buddy Will.
Hey everybody.
So when we picked this Model T up in Connecticut a few months ago, it had a busted radiator and was beyond repair. But we thought we'd send it out to a shop, and it's been over there for 6 weeks now. So we figured we need to go down the list and see if we could find one. They're not reproducing them right now. We got lucky and the first person we called back that night, Mr. Bergbow or Bergdow, I'm not sure which one it is, Berg's Radiator, called back and said it was our lucky day. He said he found 3 of them and he'd already sold one, and I said, can I put my name on the list for one of the other ones and call you back tomorrow morning with my credit card information? His words were, I don't want no credit card, send me a paper check. We called him back the next morning, worked out the arrangements. Lo and behold, 3 days later, we got a radiator.
Okay, we got the radiator hose installed. Now it's time to install it. Okay.
Flip it over there. If you know your Model Ts, you'll realize we forgot to put the radiator shell on.
Oh, right there?
Yeah. Alright, yep. Now come put this on. Gonna put that on first and then that, okay?
This?
No, this one on first.
This?
Alright.
Where?
It goes right here, okay? And this one on.
Put it on.
Perfect. Alright, so we got the radiator in, we got the shell on, got the headlight back on, got the rod back on, getting ready to crank it. Realized I didn't have the petcock valve or the radiator cap. So we'll get back with you in a few days, and in the meantime,
Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, cut. So I really am a mechanic because I taught you right.
and the first one we called back that night, Berg's Radiator, and he okay, start back over.
Okay.
Wait, make that a blooper. Make that a blooper.
I will.
That's funny as buzz.
Yeah. Alright, keep it back same place. Put your pipe back in your mouth.
Buzz.
Start over. Just push the button and start back over.
Buzz.
Alright, welcome back to the,
Wait, you're starting all the way over?
I don't know where I stopped at to make it right.
You said,
Okay, just let me do it.
okay.
Put your pipe back in your mouth.
Hey, can I have
Oh,
your coffee?
no.
Nah.
Alright, you ready? Yell action.
Coffee.
3, 2, 1, action.
Anyway, he called back and he said it was our lucky day, and
We can't stop
Okay, put your
all
pipe
the
back in.
way over.
Okay, put your pipe back in.
Do
Quit,
it
I'm
right.
trying to start it.
Do it right. Huh?
Concentrate.
But it just smells good.